Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today is another video, and kung iPhone user ka and gusto mong mapa-smooth yung cellphone mo, okay, follow my step and tutor ko sa'yo step by step. Okay, punta kayo sa settings and then accessibility and hanapin nyo yung touch. And may makikita kayo ditong haptic touch. Okay, so click po natin yan. And as you can see, meron ditong tatlong option: fast, default, slow. So ang piliin natin is fast lang po guys. Okay, so i-click natin yung fast. Kayo sa search bar dito sa settings, ayan, and then hanapin nyo yung reduce motion. Ito siya. After that is, as you can see, naka-on na po siya. In-on ko po siya. Dapat naka-on po ito ha. Kasi pag naka-off, ganun pa rin yung mangyayari. Slow pa rin. So, i-click po natin yan and then i-on natin. And then after that, after ma-open natin yung reduce motion, is i-restart natin yung cellphone natin, okay? Para mas makita natin yung result ng ginawa natin. Okay, so yun lamang guys, and thank you for watching. Bye.